Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 10, 15 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that I talked about on the video from Monday was how the price had broken up above that trend line there. And so far, so good. The price is still just kind of hovering right around that area. So that's a nice little sign. Now, was it some sort of epic breakout? No, but it's also not a situation where the price, broke up above it and then totally, collapsed back to the downside or anything like that. But as far as the chart is concerned, I'm going to go and get rid of that for now. And really the first question you need to ask yourself, and it'll help kind of keep in perspective whether or not that trendline break is still in play. So let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line there? And the current value of that purple line right now at this time is right down here. And we'll call it 92.50. So question number one, 15 hours, 10 hours, whenever you're watching this is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 92.50? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above 92.50, then that trend line that, we started talking about, that means that the quote unquote breakout is still in play. Now, with all that being said, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 92.50, at that point, does that mean the entire chart is epically destroyed? Absolutely not. That just means that as far as that trend line is concerned, yeah, the price is kind of giving up those gains. But in the event you are answering the question that the price is down below 92.50, the next immediate question you want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,000, which is the value of that green line there? And even that level is not like a do or die must hold level or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, you don't want to see the price down below that area because that really starts to kind of shift the landscape of the chart. But as of right now, the price has been doing a good job of staying up above that purple line. So I'd be shocked if, in any way you're answering the question, that it's down below that, green line. But you never know, especially when it's Bitcoin. Obviously this thing can get volatile every now and then. However, on the flip side of all this, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is actually up above 92.50, then from the overarching, standpoint, and the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this level up here, which is the 10,000 mark? And, if the price is up above there, well, then at that point, that just kind of goes without saying almost as far as common sense is concerned, because that would imply that the price has not only gotten all the way up there, but it's continued to work higher. And that would just be telling you that, yeah, the bulls and the momentum have all of a sudden really come back to life. So from that angle of things, just let gut instincts and common sense guide you. But yeah, definitely the key levels going forward, 92.50, and then that green line. So let's see if the price can continue to maintain above those areas or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.